Command your arsenal and master your mission with Operator X, the first AI hunt kit assistant optimized for defensive cyber operations. Get superpowered AI threat hunting at your fingertips, deployable anywhere, 100% offline on a single kit laptop. Operator X bridges the knowledge gap by transforming the capabilities of operators regardless of experience or training. Infused with adaptive intelligence and reasoning, the platform empowers operators to work faster and more accurately across every mission demand. It actively learns from your data, becoming a helpful expert on your mission, your intelligence, and your documentation. Extract the relevant IOCs from a lengthy APT report, troubleshoot tech issues in real time, and generate detailed usage reports using plain, natural language. Operator X unifies your entire cyber toolkit with an expanding suite of custom agents that automate complex tasks across Splunk, Elastic, Security Onion, VMware, and more. Go from intent to action in seconds. Instantly correlate alerts between your SIEM and threat intelligence. Generate the exact detection rule you need. Reason through the optimal placement of network tabs from just a diagram. Operator X turns multi-step complex tasks into a conversation. Enhance your cyber flyaway kit with AI at the edge. Test drive Operator X for yourself at SealingTech.com/OperatorX.